Today I'll be discussing stainless steel tube. Tube is commonly used for a wide range of purposes, including food and beverage process lines, structures, machinery, automotive, and architecturally. Tube is cold rolled, which means that it has been rolled from a stainless steel coil while cold. This results in a smooth, hard finish. It is normally finished with a 180 or 320 grit polish, although it can be polished to even smoother finishes. It comes in different shapes such as square, rectangular and cylindrical. Tube is measured based on OD, or outside diameter, and wall thickness. We stock dairy tube, general purpose tube, square tube, rectangle tube and press fit tube. Round tube can be polished internally to make it hygienic, which is commonly known as dairy tube in New Zealand. Our dairy tube is manufactured to an AS 1528.1 standard. The naming convention for dairy tube in New Zealand uses inch sizing, so it is commonly known as 1 inch, 2 inch tube, etc. General purpose tube is the same as dairy tube, but the weld seam hasn't been polished. It's also commonly known as handrail tube. This makes it a more economical alternative for non-hygienic applications that use dairy tube sizes, such as glycol or handrails. Both dairy tube and general purpose tube are polished to a 320 grit. They are available in 304 and 316 grade stainless steel. We stock dairy tube from 1/4 inch up to 8 inch and general purpose tube from 1 inch to 8 inch. Square and rectangular tubes are commonly used for building structures and frames. They are polished to a 180 grit, making them ideal material for use in clean environments. We stock a range of sizes and thicknesses from 1/2 inch square tube right up to 150 by 100 by 5 rectangular tube in 304 and 316 grade stainless. Press fit is measured metrically and fits our press fit system. This is available in both 304 and 316 from 15mm to 108mm. We can get bigger sizes up to 168mm as needed. I hope this has been helpful in explaining stainless steel tube and the types of tube we stock. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company because we make buying stainless steel easy.